The last time I spent time in natural was when to the beach called La Mina, which is located in Pisco, and went there with my family. And the trip is about a 1 hour by car. Uh, we got there by car. The journey was very relaxing because we could see the ocean as we got closer. When we arrived, the place was beautiful, the water was clear, and the sound of the waves were peaceful. Uh, Compared with my usual environment, which are silly, the beach was much uh, quieter, cleaner. In the city, there is a lot of night traffic and pollution, and this is very stress. But the beach, everything feels fresh and calm. I really enjoyed it walking along the shore and breathing fresh air. It was a relaxing experience and feel happy and fresh. I will definitely like to go back because it helped for me disconnected from stress.